Hey, what's going on? John the Video Guy here. Sorry for not being on camera in this video. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather lately, but I did want to make this short video just to announce that I'm launching my Black Friday sale early on my Patreon page. So if you're looking for good video editing deals when it comes to assets and different templates from my shop, you can get 50% off any of the items from my shop on my Patreon page using the coupon code SAVE50 at checkout. This also includes my recently launched Premiere Pro Full Throttle online course. So if you've been waiting for a little bit, maybe you've been on the fence on whether you want to purchase this video editing masterclass, now is a good time to secure 50% off this course by using that coupon code. If you want to learn Premiere Pro from start to finish. If you want to learn more about this course, I will link a video in the top right if you want to see what's inside it specifically. But there's also a lot of other products on here as well that are very helpful for video editing. There's this reactive lower third template for Premiere Pro, which is really nice. It automatically reacts to the new length of text. So as soon as you put in someone's name, the lower third adjusts to the new size, which is really nice. There's also this text message bubble animation for Premiere Pro, this Polaroid slideshow template, and one of the most popular ones is the speed ramp transition preset. So if you struggle a lot with speed ramps and trying to create them, this is a nice preset to automatically create one for you. But feel free to explore and use this discount. I hope you enjoy. Sorry I couldn't be on camera in this video, but just wanted to hop on here and say happy holidays. Hope everyone's doing well and take care.